So which one you want to remove first? Do that one.
Put an X on it. This one.
What you be doing?
See the process, Papa.
Okay, so that one good. Okay, so gone. Turn. Why so difficult? We go a little bit and it come right up. Where's the other one? You say only one way to go in?
Yeah, like that. Okay. And it looks like a good solder joint there. Good solder joint, real shiny.
No cold joint. Okay, that's good. Try it.
Why you just throw it around, Papa? Finished product.
See, it's the bad. You just want to stick. I mean, it.
Full of solder.
See, this is a special cut. Okay, so it flush down here. When you cut it, it flush cut. The flush cut should cut very tight, very close to the board. Okay, like let's say I cut right here, right?
No.
Why not? Okay.
Okay, that's good.